How to enable or disable video recording in photo mode for camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button, then tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and then tap on camera assistant. Now in here, you want to scroll down and then tap on video recording in photo mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, it said that touch and hold the shutter button to record videos in photo mode. So here, if you switch it off, you can see that if I touch and hold on this button here, it will not record the video. And if we go back into settings and tap on camera assistant, this time if we turn it on, and then if I go back, now I can touch and hold on the shutter button, and after a while it will turn into a video recording mode. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.